Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on controller. First, let's dive into the fundamentals. Begin by fine-tuning your controller settings, adjust sensitivity to a comfortable level, typically between 4 and 8, and minimize dead zones to ensure precise input. Consistent practice with aiming drills, even for just 15 minutes daily, builds crucial muscle memory. Also, maintaining a relaxed yet firm grip and proper hand placement is essential for sustained comfort and control during long gaming sessions. These foundational steps are key to unlocking your full potential. Moving beyond the basics, consider advanced techniques to elevate your gameplay. Custom button mapping allows you to reassign actions to more accessible buttons, significantly improving reaction time. Exploring specialized controllers with features like paddles or back buttons can provide a competitive edge by keeping your thumbs on the sticks. Furthermore, carefully adjusting aim assist settings, often found between 0.5 and 1.0, helps you find the perfect balance of assistance without feeling restrictive. These adjustments can make a substantial difference. Consistent and smart practice is paramount for continuous improvement. Aim to dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to focused practice sessions, concentrating on specific skills like tracking or flick shots. After your sessions, take time to review recorded gameplay. Analyzing your mistakes and successes provides invaluable insights for growth. Additionally, engaging in custom game modes or training maps specifically designed for skill development can accelerate your learning curve. Remember, deliberate practice yields the best results over time. Finally, cultivating the right mindset is crucial for peak performance and sustained enjoyment. Always maintain a positive attitude, viewing every match as an opportunity to learn and grow, regardless of the outcome. To prevent burnout and maintain sharp focus, remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every hour or so during extended play. Ultimately, consistency in your practice routines and controller settings will pave the way for significant, long-term improvement and help you master playing on a controller. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.